Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. Today in this video, we will learn about red and yellow soil. While learning about the classification of soils, we learn in India, we find 6 kinds of soils. So first 2 kinds, alluvial soil and black soil, already you know about them. If you have not seen my previous videos, kindly go through that and I will share the link in description. Now, let us learn about red and yellow soil with the help of presentation. So, this is red and yellow soil. It is red in color and sometime it turns into yellow. Now, the question is, what is red and yellow soil? These distinct soils are named after their color. It is so obvious. It is red in color, so it is known as red soil. It develops reddish color due to the diffusion of iron in igneous rocks. And this soil takes on yellow color when it is hydrated. Means when it is in a moisture form, then it turns into yellow. How it is formed? If we talk about its formation, it is formed by denudation or weathering of igneous rocks. Red soils actually has a very low level of humus and require fertilizers when we use it for farming. Characteristics of red and yellow soil. When it is in clay form, then it is very fertile. अगर हम इसके केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन की बात करें तो इट इज रिच इन आयरन बट पुअर इन नाइट्रोजन, ह्यूमस एंड लाइम. अभी कौन कौन सी हम क्रॉप्स इसमें उगा सकते हैं? सो इट इज सुटेबल फॉर राइस, पल्सेस एंड शुगर केन. इंडिया में किस किस कोने में पाई जाती है? इट इज फाउंड इन एरियाज ऑफ लो रेनफॉल, इन ईस्टर्न एंड सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, वेस्टर्न घाट्स के कुछ एरियाज में और सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ मिडिल गंगा प्लेन्स. आइए मैप की हेल्प से देखते हैं. सो दीज आर द एरियाज ऑफ रेड एंड येलो सॉइल्स. 3 मेजर एरियाज वी नीड टू लर्न. दिस इज ऑल डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. सो ईस्टर्न डेक्कन प्लेट्यू एंड सदर्न पार्ट. Number 1, eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Second, some areas of Western Ghats. And third is southern middle Ganga plains, this region. So this way we will learn the location in the map of India, where it is found. Then comes the major crops grown in red and yellow soil. The major crops are, as I told you, it's rice and all kind of pulses, and it's good for sugarcane even. Now I will share a super trick for the characteristics of red and yellow soil. अगर आपको एक 3 marks और 5 mark का question पूछा जाए बोर्ड एग्जाम में, what are the characteristics of red and yellow soil? So उसकी एक आसान सी ट्रिक आपको यहाँ पर मैं दे रही हूँ. You need to ask 5 questions to yourself and you will be done with the question of characteristics of red and yellow soil. So first question you will ask, what is the color of the soil? So it's red in color and turns yellow when it is hydrated. Very simple. Second question you will ask about the formation. So it is formed by weathering of igneous rocks. Third, about its chemical composition. So it is rich in iron and poor in nitrogen, humus and lime. Fourth question you will ask, which kind of crops are grown? So rice, pulses and sugarcane are ideal. Then comes the areas where it is found. So it is found, I told you, you need to learn only 3 locations in Deccan Plateau, eastern and southern part, then western Ghats and middle Ganga plains. So this way you will be able to crack a 5 mark question about the characteristics of red and yellow soil. Then comes how to learn all the soils and all the qualities of soils in one glance. So I have prepared a table here. Before examination, just you go through this table and you will be done with all different kind of qualities of red and yellow soil. So this is the name of the soil, red and yellow. About formation, first question is about formation. So it is formed due to the weathering of igneous rocks, and second is about chemical composition. It's rich in iron. As you know, you will always remember it because it is red in color, so it is rich in iron, and poor in nitrogen, humus and lime. Which crops are grown? So it is ideal for rice, pulses, cotton and sugarcane. Areas: eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau and Western Ghats and the middle Ganga Plains. Then what is the special feature of red and yellow soil? The special feature is it is red in color due to the iron content found in this, and it turns yellow when it is hydrated. Now let us see the soils, different kind of soils on the map of India. I have taken different outline maps of India, and already we are done with this area is having alluvial soil, and the Deccan Plateau western part is having black soil, and in the Deccan Plateau eastern and southern part is covered by red and yellow soil. So till here we are done with three kinds of soil. So I hope you are clear with all these kinds of soils. And now stay tuned for my next video that will be about laterite soil.